In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Google Workspace. We'll walk through the exact clicks to add someone as a payments user so they can receive billing emails or help manage payments on your account. Open your preferred web browser and start by searching for Google Workspace. In the results, look for the official site that takes you to the Google Workspace admin console. That's the correct link you want to use. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in with an account that has billing or admin privileges. If you don't have those permissions, you won't see the options we're about to use. Once you're in, head to Billing. This is where all subscription and payment settings live. On the Billing page, select Payment Accounts. You should now see your organization's active subscription listed. Next to that active subscription, open the Actions menu and choose View Payment Settings. This opens the detailed billing configuration for that subscription. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page until you find the section for managing who has access to payment information. Click Manage Payment Users. Here, you'll see the current list of people who can view or manage payment details. To add someone new, select the plus icon or the option labeled Add a New User. A form will appear where you can enter their details. Fill in the person's name, phone number, and email address. Then, set their permissions based on what they need to do. For example, you can allow them to view invoices and payment methods, or give them the ability to make changes if that's appropriate. You'll also see email preferences. Choose whether they should receive billing notifications, invoices, or important payment alerts. Finally, confirm whether this person should be the primary contact for billing. Only designate someone as the primary contact if they should be the main recipient for critical account and payment communications. Before you proceed, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. When you're ready, click Invite. Google will send an email invitation to the address you entered, and that person can follow the instructions to accept and gain the level of access you selected. That's it, quick and secure. If any labels look slightly different in your view, don't worry. Just follow the same flow. Billing, payment accounts, view payment settings, manage payment users, add the user, set permissions, and send the invite.